Hello friends, welcome to Bengali in English. Here you're learning Bengali with me, and today I'm gonna introduce you with 15 of the most common Bengali domestic animals. After that, I'll be teaching you a super simple sentence that will be working as a proper context to practice all the new vocabularies that you're gonna learn today. But before diving into the main session, I would like to invite you all to join this group. Post your problems and practice sessions there so that I, along with your peers, have the humble opportunity to help you upgrading your Bengali skills. The link to the group is down below in the comment section. So no more time wasting, let's start with the first lucky one of today's lecture. Wherever you go, you'll be finding too many cows, okay? So cow is the most common domestic animal of both Bengal. So we should be learning the Bengali meaning of cow first. So in Bengali, we call Goru. Goru. In Bengali script, Goru. Goru means cow. And then comes buffalo. Buffalo is Mohish. Mohish means buffalo. And the next one is goat. In Bengali, Chagol. Chagol is goat. Okay. So sheep is bheda. Bheda. Not ra, not bhera. It's bheda. Okay? Not bhera. It's bheda. Most of the foreigners, when they are pronouncing for the first time, they're beginner in Bengali learning, they sometimes call it bhera, but it is bhera. Bhera. Repeat after me. Not this one, but all of the words, new vocabularies. Okay, you should be just repeating as your teacher says the words, the manner of speaking, the style, the pronunciation, everything. You should be copying. Okay, then you will be gradually making yourself comfortable in a new language, not only Bengali, I think. So then pig. Pig is shukur. Shukur is pig. Pig. Okay? Pig means shukur. In Bengali, shukur. Okay? And then comes dog. Dog is a pet animal we keep as pet. Okay? So dog is kukur. Kukur means dog. Bedal is also a pet animal. Bedal. It's the Bengali form of cat. Okay. So cat is bedal, not beral. Bedal. Bedal is cat. It's a pet animal. And then comes to horse. Horse is ghora. And the same rule applies here too. Not ghora, it's ghora. Okay? And then Mr. Donkey. Donkey is Gadha. Gadha. Gadha is donkey. Donkey means Gadha. And then rabbit. Rabbit is Khargosh. 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 Khargosh is rabbit. Rabbit means Khargosh. And then duck. Duck is hash. 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 Hash means duck. And murgi means hen. Hen is murgi. Okay? Murgi is hen. And the next member is swan. The Bengali meaning of swan is Rajhash. 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 Okay? Rajhash means swan. You might be thinking that what is the feminine gender of Rajhash, or what is the masculine gender of Murgi or of cow. I have planned that I will be teaching all the masculine and feminine genders of different animals or other stuff in the series of grammar lessons. Okay, so it's a part of vocabulary series. Obviously, it's the first video of the vocabulary series. There will be some more videos, too many videos to be precise, in each of the series. So it's part of vocabulary, and I will be teaching the gender section in the grammar portion. Okay, so now comes to pigeon. Pigeon. Pigeon is kobutar, the domestic pigeon. Am I pronouncing it right? Correctly? Pigeon. If I am not correct, you have the opportunity to make me correct. Okay? You have to make me correct, as I am helping you to make your Bengali pronunciation correct. I hope that you will also be cooperating me to improve my English. Okay? So I am pronouncing it like pigeon, pigeon. Am I correct? I don't know. You should make me correct. Okay, so pigeon is kobutar, 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 kobutar. Kobutar means pigeon. And the last member of today's lecture is parrot. Parrot. Parrot is tia. Tia means parrot. And the word pakhi in Bengali is bird. Okay, it is often used with tia, not tia, tia, tia pakhi. We call it tia pakhi, but we also call it tia. Okay, so don't be confused. We call it tia. We also call it tia pakhi, but we don't call murgi pakhi or kobutar pakhi. We call tia pakhi. Pakhi means, when pakhi is standing alone, pakhi means bird. Okay, so tia pakhi means parrot. Now I am going to teach you a super simple sentence to practice all the new vocabularies that you have learned today. Okay, and the sentence is, I have a or an dash. Okay, it might be I have a cow or I have a parrot. Okay, so to say in Bengali I have a or an dash, you have to say that amar ekti dash ache. আমার একটি গরু আছে, or আমার একটি টিয়া পাখি আছে, whatever you want to say. And একটি and একটা is the same thing. It's not two different things. Okay, you can either use একটি or একটা. Okay, all the same. So আমার একটি টিয়া পাখি আছে, or আমার একটা গরু আছে. So amar means my, ekti or ekta means a or an. Ekti is ekta and ekta is ekti, all the same. You can either use ekti or ekta. I have previously said that. This is actually this a or an, and then ache. Ache means have. Okay, ache means have. So I know that it doesn't make any sense. My, a, cow, have. So when we arrange it in the proper syntactic way of English language, it becomes I have a or an dash. Okay, so আমার একটি or একটা গরু আছে. গরু আছে. আমার একটি or একটা গরু আছে. Cow, and then eventually it becomes I have a or an cow. Okay, so I think that this simple sentence will be helping you, providing a proper context to practice all the new vocabularies that you have learned today. So I hope you have enjoyed this lecture after such a long break. If so, encourage me with your valuable likes, comments and shares. In case you're watching my face for the first time and wondering to learn some Bengali with me, don't hesitate to follow my page. See you in the next session. Till then, stay well.